Welcome back, manual readers. Ready to unlock some knowledge and unofficially learn something new? Let's begin.
Ever feel like you're running on empty? You're lagging, the system is overheating, and you're one more email away from a total crash. That's not just a bad day. That's your brain's version of the blue screen of death. That's stress. Welcome to the Unofficial Manual. Today, we're opening up the pages to a proven blueprint for stress. 3 simple, science-backed steps you can install today to help you reset your entire system. Let's get started. First up, the 5-minute reset button, also known as meditation. And no, you don't need any prior experience or to sit in a pretzel knot for an hour. The first rule of the Unofficial Manual is to start small. All you need is 5 minutes a day. Here's your instruction set. 1. Find a consistent, quiet space where you won't be interrupted. 2. Set a timer for 5 minutes so you're not worried about time. 3. Close your eyes and just focus on the simple feeling of your breath going in and out. The science is solid on this. Studies show that even short, regular meditation literally changes your brain's structure, lowering levels of stress hormone cortisol and reducing activity in the parts of your brain associated with anxiety. Now, when you first sit down, your mind will inevitably wander, and it will. The key is how you handle it. Think of your thoughts like cars on a highway. Your job isn't to stop the traffic. It's just to sit on the grass beside the road and watch them go by, and then gently guide your focus back to your breath. That's it. That's the whole exercise. Think of it as a mental reset button you can press anytime. Next, a step that requires no new skills, just a change of scenery, spending time outside. Researchers have found that what they call a nature pill is one of the most effective stress reducers available, causing a significant drop in cortisol. And you don't need to hike a mountain to get the benefits. A study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that just 20 to 30 minutes of walking or sitting in a place that makes you feel in contact with nature can cause the biggest drop in cortisol levels. So why does this work? Scientists believe it's based on something called attention restoration theory. Our brains get fatigued by the constant focus of screens and work. Nature offers soft fascinations, like rustling leaves or a flowing stream, that allows our brain's focus muscles to relax and recharge. Your local park, a quiet green space, even your own backyard, they all count. It's a free, natural firewall against the stress of modern life. Finally, let's talk about your nightly system reboot, sleep. Stress and poor sleep are locked in a vicious feedback loop. The more stressed you are, the worse you sleep. And the worse you sleep, the more stressed you feel. The fix is good sleep hygiene. The manual for this is simple. 1. Stick to a routine sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Create a cool, dark, and quiet environment. And 3, the hardest one, put all screens away at least an hour before bed. That blue light from your phone is like a shot of espresso for your brain's master clock. It screams, "It's still daytime," and slams the brakes on the release of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. And here's a pro tip from the manual. Establish a wind-down routine. For 30 minutes before bed, create a buffer zone from the day. No screens. Instead, read a physical book, do some light stretching, or listen to calm music. It's the signal that tells your entire system it's safe to power down. So there you have it, the Unofficial Stress Blueprint, a 5-minute reset, a 20-minute nature prescription, and a nightly reboot. These aren't just suggestions. They're science-backed instructions for a calmer, more resilient system.
So there you have it. If you're ready to keep turning the pages of the manual with us, hit that subscribe button. For our next chapter, we want your input. Tell us in the comments what part of life you wish came with a manual, and we might just build that blueprint next. Thanks for joining the experiment.